Here's how you can use the Google Meet virtual background on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how you can make it work. And if you are new here, first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to have the Google Meet app ready, join a meeting, whether you created or someone else, whatever. And then you can see we have the page of the meeting. So make sure that the camera is enabled so you can see yourself in the viewfinder below. And there is also a button below it. So there's like a person icon, which you need to tap on for more options to appear. And right now we are looking at the filters, appearance, and backgrounds. And this all can be customized for the way that you appear in the meeting. So you can see we have the background section, so you can switch to a different static background. Like you can literally just pick the professional one, which is going to look like a bookshelf or an office, or those very nice effects can be added. That's fine. But if you mean like the virtual background, you probably are referring to these 360-degree ones. So those will actually rotate as you rotate the camera of your iPad, right? So this makes it a little bit nicer in terms of like the effect being added. So this works or gives off the effect of the virtual background a bit better because, as I said, you can rotate your phone or iPad and it's going to reveal different parts of the background. So you are likely interested in that option in here, and there are actually a few of them which you can pick from, so feel free to explore those. So let me know if it worked for you, if you were able to find it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.